Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. We are at the start of the holiday season with Thanksgiving coming up this week. And of course, with Thanksgiving comes Black Friday, which comes with a lot of sales. And TipRanks is no exception. TipRanks is having their biggest sale ever for Black Friday, with premium subscriptions being only $1.99 for the whole year. That's less than $20 per month. So if you've been wanting to unlock some fantastic research tools, now is the time to do so. The link will be in the description down below. On that note as well, the stock market will be closed on Thursday and close early on Friday for the holidays too. Now, this morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. So let's get right into the exciting stock market news. We are starting the week off with U.S. stock futures in the red. Currently, Dow futures are down 0.21%, S&P 500 futures down 0.54%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.82%. Cryptocurrencies continue to fall, and Bitcoin is nearing the $16,000 mark as details of the FTX bankruptcy continue to unfold. In a bankruptcy court filing from Saturday, it is said that FTX owes its 50 largest creditors about $3.1 billion. Bitcoin has fallen 30% in the last 3 months. It has been a roller coaster couple of weeks for Digital World Acquisition Corp., the SPAC company that is set to acquire Trump's Truth Social. Their stock continues to be volatile after Trump was voted back onto Twitter. Twitter users voted 52 to 48% to allow Trump back on the social media platform. But Trump did say that he sees a lot of problems at Twitter and plans to stick with his own platform, saying that Truth Social has taken the place for a lot of people and I don't see them going back onto Twitter. Trump is currently obligated to make any social media posts first on Truth Social. This news comes ahead of a vote on Tuesday for Digital World, as they have to approve a year extension to take Trump's social media public through the SPAC. They've had to adjourn votes on the extension 6 times in recent months, as they've failed to get enough votes from retail shareholders. The DWAC shares are down 78% from highs back in March. Shares of Walt Disney are on the rise this morning after the surprising news that former CEO Robert Iger is back at the helm. Iger had served as Disney's CEO for 15 years previously and has agreed to lead the company for another 2 years. Disney's chairman stated that the board members see Iger as uniquely situated to lead the company as it embarks on an increasingly complex period of industry transformation. During his previous tenure, Iger had seen 4 acquisitions with Pixar, Marvel Entertainment, Lucasfilm, and 21st Century Fox that helped grow Disney into the media conglomerate that it is today. Analysts currently rate the Walt Disney stock a strong buy with an average upside of 37%. And Domino's Pizza has made an agreement with General Motors to purchase hundreds of their EVs. They plan to purchase about 800 of the Domino's branded Chevrolet Bolt electric vehicles for over 37 of their locations. The purchase is aimed at attracting new drivers for the chain as labor shortages limit the overall pizza delivery industry. Domino's said they'd begin deploying the branded vehicles this month and that the company expects to order more from GM division after the initial round. Analysts do have mixed opinions on the Domino stock, coming in as a moderate buy with just a slight upside of under 2%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. Earnings season is starting to wind down, but we still have a couple big names reporting this week. In the after hours today, we'll be hearing from Zoom Video Communications and Dell Technologies. Tuesday will be the busiest day as we hear from VMware, Best Buy, Dick's Sporting Goods, Nordstrom, and HP. And on Wednesday, we'll hear from John Deere. In the pre-market this morning, we heard from JM Smucker. They did beat on earnings and revenue and raised their fiscal revenue guidance. For 2023, the company raised their revenue growth outlook to 5.5% to 6.5%, up from the prior outlook of 4% to 5%. They reported Q2 earnings per share of $2.40, which was 21 cents ahead of analyst estimates, and revenue of $2.21 billion was up 7.8% year over year and $30 million ahead of expectations. Analysts currently rate the stock a moderate sell with an average downside of nearly 2%, but we'll see how new price targets come in following today's report. And we heard from Chinese electric scooter company Niu Tech, who is falling after disappointing earnings. Their third quarter total volume of e-scooter sales was down over 19% year over year, and their revenues came in at 1,153 million RMB, which was a decrease of 6% year over year. The stock does not have much analyst coverage, with just one rating coming in from last month. Now let's take a look at which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Walt Disney on the news of Iger's return. Trading under the ticker DIS, their stock is currently up 9%. They're followed by Xenon under XENE, up about 5%, and Paramount Global under PARAA, also up about 5%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Satisfy Communications. Their stock is cooling off from big gains last week following their SPAC merger. Trading under the ticker SATX, their stock is down 16%. They're followed by Surgery Partners under SGRY, down 8.4%, and Coinbase Global under COIN, down 6.2%. So that is going to be everything for Monday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. Don't forget to check out the TipRanks Black Friday deal by following the link in the description down below. And if you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic Monday, and I'll see you back here next time.